Hello friends, today I have Lenovo LOQ series laptop. This is a LOQ 15 series laptop. Okay, this is the board number. See, LA-0522P. This board problem is no power. No power means 19 volt is come, but other some voltages not present. Firstly, we can check the impedance of this laptop. Before impedance checking, I want to show you this laptop. Someone try to repair. See this point. This IC, some areas have plugs, and see this area have plugs, and this area have plugs, and see this solder joint. Wait, I will show you the best angle to show it. See this one. See this one. See this the solder pads. IC solder pads. Some this is a big solder, and here big solder bolts. Okay. Firstly, before checking, I hope to clean this one and this one. Like plugs. Here. Friends, now I clean this one and this one. Now I'll see another one have. I miss it. This one. I want to clean. Friends, now we can check the impedance of this laptop. This motherboard, no schematic or board view. I will search in internet, Telegram and other platforms. I can't find it. Okay. See this current sensing resistor, and this is the area. It's the power coming points. Now we can check what happened. Now I hope to check one by one some coils. Okay, we can start from this side. In my multimeter diode mode, red probe to ground and black probe. I hope to see this point. See in my multimeter. Wait, impedance is good, and this coil. The remove sticker, and this is jump coil. Yes, you can check it. See friend, impedance is good. And this coil, check this side. See friend, impedance is good. And this coil. Okay, impedance is good. And friend, this coil. Impedance is good. And friends, see this coil. See friend, impedance is very low. It means this coil have short. Output side have short. How we identify this coil voltage? What is this coil voltage support? Firstly, check this IC code. See friend, this IC first three letters CUH. This is the code. If you can check, it is in the internet. You can see model number is SY88370CTMC. This is the 5 volt IC. And friends, see, you can physically see this is a 5 volt smoothing capacitor have some problem. See, this capacitor have problem. Now I hope to replace not one, I replace 1, 2 and 3. 3 capacitor I replace. Not for one. After this one we can replace, but maybe another some days this one damage and this one damage. Also I replace this 3 in one time. Now friend, we can see what is the impedance. I remove these 3 L capacitors and check. See friend, this is impedance after removing capacitors. See, maybe short is gone. Now you have some problem. What is this capacitor support the voltage and farad? I can tell you, this is the 3 volt 5 volt area. Capacitor only supports 6.3 volt, and if the farad rate is someone have 10 UF and some board have 22 UF. For this case, I hope to replace 22 UF capacitors. Check. And friends, some person have doubt about this capacitor size. See, mainly capacitors come for this area, this type 805 and 603. This is a 603 size capacitors. This one is a capacitor roll. I replace it. Friends, our main job is done. Now we can see what happened. Firstly, uh, before giving power, I add this heat sink. This is a gaming laptop, friend. Very heavy risky for the without heat sink giving power, because CPUs and GPU get lot of amp and very heat. And this is a charger. This one, plug it and give power. We can see what happened. And from this side have the on off switch. Okay. See, machine is turning now. See when this light is blinking, fan is working. I think when my job is done, and thanks for watching my videos. See you next video.